everyone, this video will show you how to create this chart in Microsoft Excel. It compares actual sales to sales targets or goals, and the bars are color-coded based on whether the sales target was met. To begin, we have 3 columns of data: the store, target, and actual. In order to color-code the bars, we will add 2 more columns. One column to hold actual amounts that are at or above the target. Let's write a formula to populate it. If the actual is greater than or equal to the target, print the actual amount. Otherwise, use the function NA, which tells Excel that the data is not available. This column will hold actual amounts that are below the target. If the actual is less than the target, print the actual. Otherwise, use the function NA. So in the chart, instead of using one column to display the actual sales, we will use this column, which we can assign one color, such as green, and this column that we can assign a different color, such as red. Now let's create the chart. Select the data, and on the Insert ribbon, click Recommended Charts. Click on All Charts, and the last option, which is the Combo Chart. Set the target chart type to Align with Markers. Set the other 3 series to a stacked column. And make sure to select the stacked column and not the clustered column. We do not need this actual value because the actual sales are already displayed here. So let's remove it by going to Chart Design, select Data, and uncheck Actual. Select your preferred color palette, right mouse click on one of the bars, Format Data Series. On the Fill in Line tab, Fill, choose a color for bars below the target. Click on the other bar series, choose a different color for bars that met the target. Now let's create the individual target lines. The target data points are displayed as markers and connected with a line. The good thing is we can change these markers to be any shape we want. First, remove the line. If we look at the Marker tab under Marker Options, Excel has a few built-in markers, including a line, but no matter how I format this, it does not give me the visual effect I want, so we are going to make our own marker, and it's very easy to do. So I will put the marker back to Automatic. Click away from the chart. On the Insert menu, go to Shapes, click on Line. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key, then click with the mouse and drag to draw a straight line shape. With this new line selected, on the right panel we can format it. If this panel does not appear, right mouse click on the line, select Format Shape. For example, you can make the color black and the width 2 point. Press Ctrl C to copy the line. In the chart, select the target line markers. Press Ctrl V to paste in our own marker. Delete the grid line so we can see it better. For some reason, when the line shape became a marker, it has a small break at the end point. It's not very noticeable, but I was able to fix it by going back to the line shape and changing the cap type from flat to square. I also made the line a bit shorter, and then copy and paste. I think that looks good. I always keep the line shape. I move it to another worksheet in case I need to make any more adjustments. As a final step, let's add data labels. First, I will select the entire chart, go to Home, change the font for all the text to size 12, bold, and black. Click the plus sign next to the chart, check Data Labels inside Base. Select the data labels for just the targets, and in the plus sign menu, set these data labels to left. Go to Home, make the font italics, not bold. And then you may want to change the other data labels as necessary. Let's also go back to the plus sign menu, move the legend to the top, delete the vertical axis, and add a title. Our chart is complete. It will automatically update as the data changes. Store number 5 just reported a new sales number and they exceeded their target. One thing to mention, if you resize the chart, you may need to adjust the size of the target lines. Go back to the original line shape, press and hold the Shift key, extend the line, copy, and paste. This data visualization effectively communicates the sales performance of each store using color, individual target lines, and data labels. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about this video, please let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy learning about working with data, please consider subscribing to this channel.